clean air, clean water, and the ability to maintain healthy environments are all important elements of human existence on Earth. From the most remote villages to the largest cities in the world, the threat of losing these important resources is a constant reminder. NASA is at the forefront of discovering and testing new and innovative ways to keep us living and working safely in extreme environments. As a world leader in human spaceflight, NASA scientists represent a unique niche of professionals with experience in monitoring and evaluating the safety of these remote environments. Some of the techniques used are specialized, but the scientific principles and skills used are adaptable to a wide variety of Earth-based challenges. In addition to traditional research, NASA scientists are using the International Space Station to test new technologies for environmental control and new capabilities for monitoring and risk assessment. A team of multidisciplinary scientists focus on understanding environmental conditions and the implications for humans living in the complex and challenging spacecraft environment. Development activities include advanced environmental monitoring technology concepts that have been used for Earth-based applications like advanced water filtration and purification systems. NASA also fosters practical risk assessment capabilities for humans deployed to remote and challenging environments. Our experiences have given us insight on the hazards and challenges of living in extreme environments for long periods of time. We've learned the importance of being proactive in addressing problems before they develop. Imagine the impact these monitoring technologies and risk assessment practices could have in areas recovering from disaster, where it is important for decision makers to have a practical and balanced mindset in addressing environmental risks. Consider the importance of informing stakeholders who are considering the reuse of water as a means of addressing supply shortages. There is an understood interconnectivity between humans and our environment. Perhaps this is most clearly seen in the challenges presented by microorganisms. NASA has years of experience maintaining a safe and healthy environment for its crews. Our team of multidisciplinary experts are problem solvers, collaborating to develop new and efficient processes. Microbial specialists have worked to understand the cause and mitigation of fungal growth on the International Space Station. The team has designed new sampling strategies for air and surfaces to assess and measure improvements in the environment. The goal is to develop best practices to help minimize future contamination. It is important that these strategies balance the need for reliable data with practical applications for monitoring systems in remote locations. These design strategies and processes are just one of many extraordinary examples of NASA team members finding solutions in new and creative ways. NASA's innovative methods of environmental design, monitoring, and research are improving lives around the world. We invite you to be a part of our collective approach in addressing environmental challenges we all face, whether in space or on Earth.